Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and creamy avocado mango smoothie, step by step. This tropical treat is perfect for any time of day. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 large mango, about 1 cup of your favorite liquid base like almond milk, 2 tablespoons of a sweetener such as honey, and a handful of ice cubes. Make sure your fruits are perfectly ripe for the best flavor. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for blending. First, take your ripe avocado, carefully slice it in half, remove the large pit, and scoop out all of its creamy green flesh. Next, peel your large, sweet mango and cut it into small, easy-to-blend chunks. Finally, measure out 1 cup of your chosen liquid base, whether it is almond milk, coconut water, or even regular milk. Having everything prepped makes the next step super quick. It is time to blend everything together for that perfect smoothie consistency. Carefully add your scooped avocado flesh, the diced mango chunks, and the 1 cup of liquid base into your high-speed blender. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, to taste. Finally, add about 1 cup of ice cubes. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth, creamy, and lump-free. This usually takes about 60 seconds. Your delicious avocado mango smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish your smoothie with a small slice of fresh mango on the rim or a sprig of mint. This smoothie is best served immediately to fully appreciate its cold, refreshing temperature and vibrant flavors. Take a moment to savor this nutritious and incredibly tasty tropical delight you have just created. Cheers to your healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.